Hello student, today I will ask you one simple question. Why do we feel weak when we do not eat food? And why do athletes drink glucose during race? Because foods equals to energy plus life. Food gives lives to living beings. So today we will learn what we eat, nutrition in food, balanced diet, junk food vs healthy food, food taste, millets and food miles. What we eat, today we learn nutrients in food, balanced diet, junk food vs healthy food, food taste, millets and food miles. And after this class, you will never look at food at the same way again. Students, every day we eat different types of food. Do you eat the same food every day? No, because food choice depend on region, climate, culture and crops down. Example: Punjab wheat roti, South India rice, idli, dosa. People eat what grows around them. Student, every day we eat different types of food because food choice depends on region, climate, culture, and crops grown. Region, climate, culture, and crops grown. Example: Punjab wheat roti. South India rice, idli and dosa. Explain simply, people eat what grows around them. People eat what grows around them. Because food choice depend on region, climate, culture, crops grown. Punjab wheat, roti, South India rice, idli, dosa. We eat different types of food because food choice depend on region, climate, culture, and crops grown. This is part two. What do we eat? Part two. I explain what do we eat. Then part three. I told changes in cooking. Changes in cooking. Old times, chula, seal batta, manual grinding. These are used in old time. And now gas stoves, mixer grinder, these are used. So these are changes in cooking, changes in cooking. Chula, silverta, manual grinding are used in old times. Now gas stoves and mixer grinder are used. This is not a technology development. Imagine cooking without gas, would you survive? Imagine cooking without gas, would you survive? These all talk about changes in cooking. Chula, silvatta, manual grinding, old style now, gas stove, mix grinder. Recent technology development. But for component of foods. This is most important for exam and views. Carbohydrate. Fats. Part 4, we describe components of foods. Carbohydrate gives energy. Example: rice, wheat, potato, sugar. Runner drinks glucose that gives instant energy. Runner drinks glucose that gives instant energy. Carbohydrate gives energy. Example: rice, wheat, potato, sugar. Fat gives stored energy. Fat gives stored energy and keep body warm. Example: ghee, butter, and nuts. Polar bear stores fat and survive in winter. Proteins builds and repair our body. Milk, egg, pulses. Simple memory: protein equals to bodybuilder food. Protein builds and repair our body. Example: milk, eggs, pulses. Fats give store energy and keep body warm. Example: ghee, butter, nuts. For example, polar bears also store fat to survive winter. Carbohydrate gives energy. Example: rice, wheat, potato, sugar. Runner drinks glucose and gives instant energy. Which food build muscles? Chips or dal? Student, give me answer. Which food build muscle? Chips or dal? Already, the answer is dal. Vitamins and minerals, they protect our body from disease. Important deficiency diseases, vitamin and diseases. Vitamin C deficiency cause scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency cause rickets. Iodine deficiency cause goiter. Iron deficiency cause anemia. Vitamin and minerals. Vitamin protects our body from diseases. Important deficiency diseases: vitamin C, scurvy; vitamin D, rickets; iodine, goiter; iron, anemia. Think of vitamins as a body police. They protect you. Think of vitamins as body police. They protect you. Rages and water. Rages and water. Script Rages helps digestion. Rages example: fruit, vegetables, whole grain. This is the example of rages. Help digestion. Fruit, vegetable, whole grains. Water absorb nutrient and removes water waste and remove waste. Progress shelf variation fruit, vegetables, whole grain. Fruit, vegetables, and whole grain. Water absorbs nutrients and removes oils. Food taste. Part 7 আমি যাব food taste. Food taste. This is very exam important. एग्जाम में आएगा ये भी. यस है फूड टेस्ट. Part 6 food taste. Exam important. Taste for starch. What is taste for starch? Iodine, blue black color, iodine blue black color, pepper oily patch. Taste for protein, copper sulfate, caustic soda, copper sulfate plus caustic soda, violet color. Science is like detective work. We found hidden nutrients. So, so if I revise from the first, why does from starting I ask you, test for starch. We use iodine solution. We use iodine solution. If food turns blue black, if food turns blue black, starch is present. Press food on paper. Press food on paper. If oily patches appear, fat is present. Add copper sulfate and caustic soda. Add copper sulfate and caustic soda. If the violet color is appear, protein is present. If the violet color is appears, protein is present. Science is like detective work. We found the hidden nutrients. Science is like detective work. We find the hidden nutrients. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Balanced diet equal to all nutrients, ragage, and water. Needs vary by age, activity, and health. Can you survive on only pizza? Student answer. Can you survive only on pizza? No. Answer is no. Needs balanced diet is need all nutrients, ragage, water. Needs vary by age, activity, and health. Junk food vs healthy food. Junk food vs healthy food. Junk food, they high in fat, high in sugar, low in nutrients. They are low in nutrients, high in fat, and high in sugar. Example: chips, soft drinks. Result: obesity and diseases. Obesity and diseases. These are the result. Junk food give taste but 5 minutes for 5 minutes, but disease for years. This is the punchline. What is the punchline? The junk food gives you taste for 5 minutes, but disease for years. High fat, high sugar, low nutrients. Example: chips, soft drinks. Millets equal to nutri cereals. Example bajra, millets, nutri cereals. Example bajra, jawar, ragi. Their benefits: they are high in fiber, rich in mineral, very healthy. These are called healthy food. And I already told the junk food, high in fat, high in sugar, low nutrients. Example chips, soft drinks. These are obesity and diseases. Part even we talk the food miles. Food miles, distance from farm to plate. Importance: less polluted, fresh food, support farmers. Remember student, health is the greatest wealth. Eat healthy, respect food, never waste food. Food equals to life. So I repeat the full form first. The chapter name is Mindful Eating: A Path to a Healthy Body. Before starting, I ask you them if you ever felt weak when you skipped a meal. Yes, right. Why does this happen? Because food gives us energy. In fact, there is a famous Sanskrit saying, food gives life to all living beings. That means without food we cannot survive. So in today's class, we will learn what do we eat, components of food, nutrients, balanced diet, junk food, food taste, millets and food miles. Students, we eat food every day. Food is an essential part of our life. Do you eat same food every day, students? No, because we eat a variety of food. One day you eat rice, another day you eat roti, sometimes fruits, some days vegetables. There is a lot of diversity in foods. Nothing careful, do people in all parts in India eat the same food? No, because the food habit depends on religion, climate, culture, crop grown in the area. For example, in Punjab, wheat is grown, so people eat roti. In South India, rice is grown, so people eat idli and dosa. So remember this important point. People usually eat food that grow in their region. So student, comment in below what do you eat today. Okay. Now student, cooking method have changed over time. In old times people have chulas for cooking. They used silbatta for grinding. Everything was done manually. But today we use gas stoves, use mixer grinder, we use modern kitchen. Why does this change happen? Because of technology development, better transportation, modern lifestyle. So remember, cooking practice change with time. Components of food. In part 3, I described you come the most important topic. Components of food are called nutrients. Nutrients helps our body to get energy, grow, repair tissue, stay healthy. There are mainly five main nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, and minerals. Carbohydrate gives us energy. They call our energy giving foods. Example: rice, wheat, potato, sugar, banana. Think about this example. What do we athlete drinks glucose water because glucose gives them instant energy. Carbohydrate equals to instant energy. Fats also gives energy, but they give stored energy. They also keep our body warm. Example: ghee, butter, oil, nuts. Polar bears store fats under their skin to survive winter. Fats equal to stored energy. Protein helps in growth of body, repair damaged tissue. That is why proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Example: milk, eggs, pulses, bean, fish. So proteins equal to bodybuilder. Vitamins protects us from disease. They keeps our body healthy. Example: vitamin C prevents scurvy. Lemon, orange, amla. Minerals also protected nutrients. Iron prevents anemia. Calcium makes bones strong. Iodine prevents goiter. Vitamins plus minerals equal to protective food. Rugged helps digestion. It helps in smooth bowel movement. Sources: skin, vegetable, fruits, whole skin. Water is also essential. It is help to absorb nutrient, remove waste from our body, maintain body temperature. So remember, without water, life is impossible. Then we discuss the food test. Test for starch. We use iodine solution. If food turns blue, black, starch is present. Then we press the food on a paper. If the patch appears, fat is present. Test for protein. Add copper sulfate and caustic soda. Violet color is appears, protein is present. Then we describe balanced diet. Food that contain all nutrients in proper amount. It must include carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, mineral, luggage, water. Different people need different diets based on age, work, and health. Then we discuss junk food contain high sugar, fat, and nutrients. Example: chips, soft drinks, and fast food. They cause obesity, disease, weak immunity. So must avoid junk food. Millets are also nutritious, rich cereals, bajra, jawar, ragi. They rich in iron, calcium, fiber. Food miles distance traveled by food from farm to plate. Reducing from millets help reduce pollution, support farmer, keep food fresh. Food miles. So student, remember the important things. Health is the greatest wealth. Eat healthy food, Respect food, never waste food, take only as much as you can eat, because many people work hard to bring food to our plate. So if you like the lecture, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment what is your favorite healthy food. So see you in the next class. Thank you.